What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be getting some cinematic shots, or trying to get some cinematic shots with my new camera. But first I gotta go pick up a ND filter, if they have the one that I want, because the actual size of the lens, it's very small. It's like 0.5, it's 40.5 millimeter, so I'm not sure if they will have it at that location. If not, it's gonna suck. It's gonna make getting the videos just that wee bit harder, because I was really struggling to keep the car meet video, the most recent one, exposed, because everything was just changing. I just also need to get used to the camera. Yeah. Anyway, I'll hopefully go get that, and I'll meet you guys when I'm either back on the road or at the shop. Alright, ND filter has been secured. So hot. I'm like, feel like I'm dying right now. Yeah, it was the last one they had, so luckily we managed to get that. So yeah, I'm trying to get into color grading. That's the whole reason why I got that camera in the first place, as well as just for like better camera quality. So yeah, anyway, we're going to a spot that I think will be good to take some cinematic shots. I feel like I've just hurt my wrist and it's really killing me right now, holding on to the bars. But you know, who cares, you know, no pain, no gain. Oh my gosh, what have I done? Dude, I swear I just got off the bike and hopped back on it and it fucking started hurting, dude. What am I doing? There's no way I just turned on my indicator to do that. Oh, that's the max I want to be going right now. Boom, boom. Must admit it's very windy. Oh my gosh, dude. Why is the spot I want to go to? Oh, windy ass, dude. Besides the wind, it's a beautiful day. You can really see the color differences from the river. Like that's being like a lot greener, and then it slowly gets bluer. Ah. It's a beautiful day today. I can't speak. I feel like here's a decent spot. I don't like that there's power lines in the way, but we'll try the spot for now. What do we think? Oh yeah, that looks good. Alright, but first I'm going to take cover from this wind. Somehow the tripod fit in this bag. I don't know how, but it did. Here's the ND filter. ND 2 to 400. Now we got the camera. I haven't actually showed you guys what it looks like. pretty cool. Here it is. It's the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. The kit lens, because it's a good price. And let's see what it looks like right now. Yep, very overexposed. Got it in a nice case. Look at this case. Dude, it's so small. So yeah, I want to get some handheld shots and then just some handheld shots. Oh, it is still pretty hot though. No way, bro. Oh, get out of here, fly. I thought I hit a bird or something. Not a bird, a bug. Yeah, I want to try. Gonna get past these power lines so I can get like a nice shot of Jesus, the beach. Oh yeah, that's a pretty sick shot. God damn. I do not want to be tripping right now. Imagine I drop it and screws up the whole camera. Fuck me! So windy. Yeah, I'm just taking videos. Thank you, bro. At least we have some nice people, eh? Like, I want to sit on my tripod, but there's no way it's not falling over, right? Alright, I'll try and set it up on the tripod. No, I don't want the receipt going. My tripod is broken, as you can see. So we sort of just gotta go with the flow. And hope that this does not fall over. Oh dude, that's gonna fall over. Alright. Just hope it doesn't fall over. What else? I sort of want to get a shot of me, you know, like turning my head with the tripod with me on the bike. Yeah. Miata is on the move, dude. Let me grab my gloves. God damn, I do not want to be tripping right now. Should I drop it and screws up the whole camera? Should I drop it and screws up the whole camera? Fuck off, cunt. Fuck off, cunt. There's no way. Oh, I'm so lucky, dude. I'm so lucky. Oh my gosh.